So I'm here today with Miss Babetta. How we doing?
Great.
Amazing. We're going to adjust her pelvis, and so many times the pelvis can subluxate, move forward or backwards in addition to the lumbar spine. In this case, we're going to go ahead and have her lift up her hips. There you go. You go ahead and relax now. This is an advanced move where we have to reach underneath the pelvis, adjust it downwards as such. We're going to breathe in nice and deep. We're going to bring the shoulder back a little bit, and there we go. One more breath. And out. Relax here.
Ooh,
Yeah.
cool.
That's a big movement. Good job.